These are all of the ingredients you will need for this recipe: apples, lemon juice, quick oats, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, maple syrup, cinnamon, salt, and butter. Choose 2 of your favorite apples and start by cutting them in half. Next, cut out each side of the core with a paring knife, creating a rounded hole and making sure to leave a bottom. Place your apple halves in a baking dish and rub the cut side with lemon juice. Next, fill the centers with maple syrup and set aside. In a medium bowl, add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 3 tablespoons butter, a half cup uncooked oats, a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Mix the topping until it comes together. Press a 1/4 of the topping onto each apple, covering the maple syrup. Fill the baking dish with about a 1/4 cup of water. Bake until top is golden and apples are tender, about 35 to 40 minutes. Thanks for watching!